Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can quickly integrate WebSockets. This is not for Socket.io, this is for WebSockets inside your web application using NextJS and using NodeJS. And on NodeJS side we will use WS, which stands for WebSocket. Again, WS is an external library. In the next video I will show you how to integrate with expressjs as well, and in that video we will create rooms and get notified once a user leave that particular room, all that stuff. But I will keep this video extremely simple in case if you want to have this globe no rooms, just users chatting with each other. So here I will quickly refresh this. So here I'll just go to inspect. Sometimes the Firefox takes time to connect to my WebSocket server. I think something related to WebSocket. And here I have one Chrome. I have opened two browsers, one for Firefox and one for Chrome. So here you can see this thing has been printed. I don't know why this thing got printed twice. So 1728. So here I can see, I'm not sure why this is, okay, I know why this is getting printed twice. I'll have to go to my backend and restart it. Okay, so this is printed one. This what you see is the username. Like I have appended date.now as a username, but you can keep whatever you feel like. I didn't want to create separate UI for username. And here you can see, so this is 700, right? This is of Chrome. No, 700 is of Firefox. So I'm also printing which user has entered the chat. So 700, this last 3 digits 700 is of Firefox, and once Firefox joined, Chrome is also notified because Chrome joined first. Now I will send some message from Chrome. Hi from Chrome. I'll click on submit. So I'm able to see it inside my Chrome, but I'm also able to see it in Firefox as well. Same for Firefox. Hi from Firefox. Click submit. And here you can see hi from Firefox is printed. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first I'll show you the backend. So I have created a simple Node.js application. So to create this package.json, you can just enter the command npm init-y or just create it manually, however you prefer. I have added the start and dev command for starting our index.js file. Ignore this delete me.js, and inside dependencies I have added express. We don't need expressjs. Okay, and you just need ws. Okay, express-ws we will use this in next video. Okay, so here you can just add express and ws. Let me just check if it's still working or not, because I will have to do npm install again because I just removed that ws package. Hopefully it should work. I'll just reload my here, like I told you, right, Firefox takes some time to load. So here you can see it is still not connected. Yeah, otherwise I can just open a new tab inside Chrome itself, because Firefox, I don't know why it takes some time. So here you can see, so I can just type hi from tab 1. Okay, something like this, and here you can see hi from tab 1. Is Firefox connected? Still not connected. Again, these are issues from Firefox. We can't really do anything about it. It's better to use Socket.io, I think. And now you can see it got connected. And in Chrome you might see this message, yeah, this user from Firefox. So yeah, anyways, next after you install all this dependency, you will have to go to index.js, and here we are importing express as well as http, and I have also imported ws, WebSocket server as well as WebSocket. And here I have created our express app, here I have created our http server, and here I have created our WebSocket server by passing this server which we had created. Then here is all the magic. So we will open a connection, and if there is any error, I'm printing it to the console, but you can handle it better way. The ws.on message is called whenever you send a message from client to the server side. So as soon as I get a message, I again send it back to all the clients which are connected. So to send a message to the client, I'm just looping over to all the clients that are connected and whose WebSocket is open, and I just do client.send and I pass the data. I do it in a string, otherwise it sends data in form of blob. There is one more way of sending data, this ws.send, but it works for the very first time when I join but then it stops working. I don't know why, that's why I've not used this, but I wanted to show it to you guys. Better way is to use this wss.clients.foreach, and this will help us to send data to all the connected users. Then here I have just done ws.on close, and once it is closed, I'm again printing it to the console, and here I'm just starting our server on port 3001. Next, you will have to create a NextJS application. Now you don't have to use NextJS, you can use whatever you feel like, whatever web framework you feel like, and whatever web framework you feel like, even normal vanilla HTML, CSS, JavaScript is fine. So first I have taken an input for our input element, so useState, and here I have created a WebSocket. It is connected to localhost 3000 where our server is running, and this should be WS. I have used this use client thing is NextJS thing because I want this to be client side render, given that we are having this useState thing as well, right? Then I have created this message. So this message useState is an array which will store all the messages which we have, and inside username is not really required, but the reason why I'm using username is because I just want to send this message like as soon as any client joins. That's why this dummy username, this is not really necessary. So here you can see on change handler is called whenever you type something inside the input and we are updating the state. So inside use effect, I am first initializing our socket on open, and here as soon as it is connected to our WebSocket server, I immediately send some data of type join. I'm stringifying it and sending it to the server side, and inside on message will get called whenever a server sends some data to the client side. So here I'll just remove this, and here as you can see I'm just getting all the data, and depending on what kind of type of messages, because whenever sending it I'm also sending the type, right? You can do all kind of stuff, but here I'm just appending it to the useState array, so not really doing anything with it. So yeah, just wanted to show it to you. And here on socket close I'm just calling WebSocket connection.close, and on error I'm just calling error occurred as well. And here as you can see, this is our input text, and on buttons click we just again do socket.send just like we have done at the start, but just the type differs. Here the type is chat and I send input as the text, and here I have just looped over the messages array and just displayed inside the h5 tag. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.